Welcome back to Tomas on Air. I'm Tomas. Who would have thought that the MRT isn't just about trains, but also about social justice? From a 50% fare discount for seniors and persons with disabilities to the long-awaited deployment of the Dalian trains, after nearly a decade of uncertainty, we're witnessing more than just transit news. This is a story of hope, inclusion, and leadership that genuinely shows up for the people. Let's dive in. This is News in Focus. In a truly people-centered move, President Bongbong Marcos has officially launched a 50% fare discount on MRT3 for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. The discount applies every day, including weekdays, weekends, and holidays, and is valid until 2028. This initiative isn't just responsive, it's targeted, providing essential relief to vulnerable groups who are often overlooked. The launch coincided with the 47th National Disability Week, themed Innovation for Inclusion, Building Inclusive Communities Together. And President Bongbong Marcos chose to mark the occasion by putting policy into action, helping an estimated 13 million senior citizens and 7 million persons with disabilities across the country. With over 380,000 daily riders on MRT3, this policy carries massive potential to ease financial burdens nationwide. This is one of the clearest manifestations yet of Bagong Pilipinas, a Philippines that truly leaves no one behind. President Bongbong Marcos personally launched the program at Santolan Annapolis Station, underscoring that leadership isn't just signing orders, it's showing up, listening, and standing with the people who ride every day.
Ngayon naman ay idadagdag natin sa grupong yon na mabibigyan ng 50% discount ang mga senior citizens at ang mga PWD. Ang makikinabang dito sa programang ito ay siguro mga 13 milyong senior citizen at saka 7 milyon na PWD. Kaya alam naman natin.
The 50% fare discount for seniors and persons with disabilities was designed to support individuals living on limited income. For them, affordable MRT fares can mean the difference between meeting basic needs or not. This isn't just a price cut. It says seniors and PWDs deserve safe, affordable mobility every day. For senior citizens and persons with disabilities, long striving for inclusion and too often left out of public services, this program sends a powerful message. You are seen, you are valued, and you are part of the solution. The policy fosters an inclusive community where everyone enjoys equal access to mobility and opportunity. This 50% MRT fare discount not only lightens the financial load, but also paves the way for greater social participation, independence, and connection. Seniors and PWDs can now travel to work, seek medical care, or simply socialize without fear or hesitation. This is the real spirit of Bagong Pilipinas, social equity that is felt, not just promised. Access isn't just about price, it's also about capacity. Remember the Dalian trains? After nearly a decade in limbo, they're finally in full operation. That's right, the trains once seen as a failed project have now been integrated into MRT3 thanks to major safety modifications provided at no cost by the manufacturer.
Meron din po akong bagong announcement. Kung maaalala ninyo, noong 2014, nakabili po tayo ng mga tren galing sa China. Ang tawag yung mga Dalian train. Dahil, ito ano ba yun? 10 taon nakaparada ito hindi nagamit. Ngunit ngayon ay nagagamit na natin at yan ang ite-testing natin ngayong araw.
With safety clearance from TUV Rhineland and Sumitomo, the Dalian trains, once doubted and sidelined, have been declared safe for public use. Nearly a decade after becoming a symbol of controversy, CRRC Dalian agreed to retrofit the entire fleet to match MRT3 specifications, all at no extra cost to the government. The result? Train intervals have decreased from 4 minutes to just 2.5, and capacity has risen to 1,200 passengers, per train set. This modernization is not just about technology. It's about restoring efficiency and trust, serving the 380,000 daily commuters with dignity and reliability. It's more than reviving a train line. It's about transforming a setback into a milestone. For many, transportation isn't just a means to get around. It's a lifeline to the outside world. It's the bridge to opportunity, social connection, and a better quality of life. When MRT access becomes easier and more affordable, social inclusion takes a real leap forward.
Napakalaking tulong, napakahalaga para sa amin. Marami po nagagawa si BBM sa ating bansa. Marami po siya natutulungan, lalo na sa mga mahihirap.
Malaki po. Malaki po bagay po yung senior po. Sa ID, malaki pong bagay po sa akin. Tapos sa bus po, mayroon din po discount sa bus. Malaki po tulong senior ID po. Malaking tulong po.
Amid many challenges, the government is showing up with meaningful actions. Programs like the fare discount and the Dalian train deployment prove that innovation can truly mean inclusion. This is the real essence of innovation for inclusion, when technology and policy move in harmony to ensure no one is left behind. President Bongbong Marcos demonstrates that true leadership is about prioritizing the people, not just announcing programs. Bagong Pilipinas is not merely about physical infrastructure. It's about who gets to help build the nation. And here, Bagong Pilipinas comes alive, not just in documents, but in people's daily lives. When policies uplift the most vulnerable, we all grow stronger. Because an inclusive society is a thriving society. So, what do you think? How big of an impact will this fare discount have on the seniors and persons with disabilities around you? Share your thoughts and stories, and let's celebrate policies that truly touch people's lives. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. I'm Tomas. Stay tuned to News in Focus.